Coming into April on fire, the Bulls are stomping out the Bears here in the early days of April here. Episode 246, No Edits Crypto. 3 quick stories and the market update, which is pretty unbelievable. At one point, I went to bed around 11 p.m. EST last night and woke up and Bitcoin had gained $580 in market cap, or in just value in one Bitcoin. So the entire cryptocurrency market cap grew over 20 billion. No, let's see, $17 billion last night, roughly. So pretty crazy stuff going on right now. But first, the news. PayPal makes its first ever investment in blockchain. Startup online payments giant PayPal has made its first ever investment in blockchain tech. A blockchain tech company announced today PayPal has joined the extension of a Series A funding round in Cambridge Blockchain, a startup that helps financial institutions and other companies manage sensitive data using shared ledgers. Neither PayPal nor Cambridge disclosed the investment amount, but recent filings with the SEC indicate that Cambridge Blockchain has raised a total of $3.5 million in new equity from several investors over the past 9 months. That follows the $7 million close of its Series A in May of 2018 and brings the total capital raised to $10.5 million. That first $7 million consisted of $4 million of new capital plus $3 million of converted notes, and came from several investors including HCM Capital, the VC arm of Foxconn, which manufactures the iPhone for Apple, as well as Digital Currency Group. The subsequent $3.5 million came from PayPal, as well as HODLr Network and the philanthropic investment firm started by founder of eBay, PayPal's former parent Flourish, HODLr's financial inclusion investment spinoff, and Future Perfect Ventures. So PayPal finally dipping their feet into the blockchain pool. Second story is Apple Amazon alums behind sharding startup that has raised $18 million, bucking the 2019 trend of fundraising on equity. This is via CoinDesk. Brady Dale. One startup has completed a substantial token pre-sale. Harmony announced Tuesday that it raised $18 million from an array of investors. It includes Hong Kong's Lemonscap VC, Australia's BCA Fund, Singapore's Univalues Associates, and Silicon Valley's Consensus Capital, among others. Co-founder Nick White told CoinDesk that selling tokens was the only path that made sense because of our long-term vision to create a decentralized protocol. The Harmony blockchain will launch with a pre-mine of 12.6 billion tokens. Investors have purchased slightly more than 2.8 billion of these tokens in this sale. The startup is considering ways of using some of the remaining pre-mined tokens to incentivize early adopters of the network, including distributions to those who participate as nodes. Upon launch, proof-of-stake nodes on the network will be compensated with an as-yet undetermined rate of inflation, which I'm not a fan of, which should gradually decrease over time. Like Bitcoin, though, there is no predetermined maximum supply, unlike Bitcoin. White said that the large number of investors spread around the world should help the blockchain to win adoption. Additionally, many of these investors have backed existing decentralized applications, dApps. That's where it becomes more interesting, White said. And now into the market here a little bit. So why is everybody's asking why Bitcoin's on fire right now, and all the alts are also up double digits in some cases? And it's really, I said on February 8th that I think this market has officially turned around, or at least in my opinion it looked like it had. And a lot of stuff, there's a lot of variables to this, but I think some of the most important are that the fundamentals have gotten better. They've all increased, less scams. Bitcoin's scaling now with the Lightning Network, and more people get onboarding with that. And I don't know, proven use cases, people are using it. Like all over the world as a currency. You can see in Venezuela how much cryptocurrency has helped them out and people that really need it. You know, that was why this technology was created in the first place. So to have free market privatized money that the government can't ruin. So everything looking pretty solid. But anyways, back to this market and the actual numbers here. Bitcoin dominance is up about 1% right now from yesterday at 50.97%. And like I said, aggregate market cap's at 163,452,400,000. And yesterday, the market cap was right around $147 billion. So pretty crazy to wake up and see the price move over $580. It actually, on some exchanges, Bitcoin actually hit 5K. So it's up 13.47% now. It was up as much as 16%. It's at $4,728. Ethereum up 9.5%, $156.01. It was at $142 yesterday. Litecoin up 14.85%, $69.85. It was at $61 yesterday. EOS up 12.01%, $4.71. Bitcoin Cash up 23% at 23.82%. It's still really pushing harder than some of the others right now. Up to $208.11, and it was at $168 yesterday. So it's gained about almost $40 here, or yeah, $40 here now. To Monero up 10.97%, $64.83. Dash up 6.37%, $121.18. Crazy. Dash was $70 a month ago. Neo up 9.3% at $10.98. To Steem, which was in the top 50 but must have been pushed out here to the second page of the market cap here. Let's see. Steem currently up 4.7%, edging closer to 50% or 50 cents at 47 cents. And Flash currently up 18.12% at 0.0038. So this market is absolutely on fire, and this is what everyone's been waiting for. So I think a celebration is definitely is called for here. Everyone's pretty happy. Everyone, enjoy the rest of your day. Let's hope this keeps up for the rest of this week.